Today is January 21st, 2022. We are on Daytona Beach. This is the condo where we stay. 4th floor, second unit from the left. The guy on the left, you can see, if you can see him smoking, that's what we smell all the time. And it's basically condo and hotels as far as your eyes can see. Daytona Beach is actually a few miles down the road, about 10 miles down the road that way, up north. And we are staying in what's called Port Orange. And today, this morning, weather's about high 60s, so we're just taking a walk around the beach. This beach is across, right now it's high tide. Beach is huge, and cars are allowed to park along the beach here. But they have to be clear probably about 5 o'clock or so to be out of here. Or maybe there's certain high tide, low tide kind of restriction. But yesterday we see the lifeguards about 5:30 come around and yell at everybody to get their vehicles away. So we're just walking to the fishing pier. This is not the Daytona Beach boardwalk. This is just a Port Orange fishing pier. Some people fishing in the morning, a lot of people walking in the morning. Some people already have the chairs out. I don't know what it takes to get on to driving on the beach. I don't know whether it costs money. I know in some places it costs you $20 to drive on the beach. I don't know whether it's the same thing here or not. Pretty hilarious bunch of birds just coming and going with the tide. When the water come in, they come up. When the water goes down, they go back down. They know enough to stay away from me, I guess. And they're all standing on, a lot of them are standing on one leg. Not sure why. Some of them on 2 legs, but a lot of them standing on just 1 leg. And a lot of them just hopping. That one is just hopping on 1 leg. Don't know if they've lost a leg or they are just doing that. But some of them left, some of them right, looks like. Some of them got both legs though. Some of them are running. But those with 1 leg are just hopping. So maybe they have lost their legs. Huh. They're just hopping around. So they looks like they might have lost their legs. These are the big guys. And all of these have 2 legs, fortunately. And let's see what they do. They don't care about the water. Whoa, they walk right towards it. Must be looking for something. Or maybe they're just walking away from me. There you go, the water's coming and they are all marching in some direction. Actually, you see these are with the black beaks and these are with the orange beaks. And they are all kind of together. Pretty interesting. I don't know why they are all here in this particular group. Whether there's food here that is not available on the other parts of the beach or something. So these are orange beak with 2 legs, whereas these all have 1 leg and looks like they're sleeping or something. Maybe that's how they sleep. Huh. and they are just hopping around one leg. And all 5 of them. Could all 5 of them have lost a leg? Or they just like to stand on one leg? Not sure what the deal is here. Huh. Looks like they're sleeping or something. And they are not faced. Oh yeah, they definitely only have one. Whoa. They only have, no? Looks like they could have 2. But they're still hopping on one. Not sure what the deal is. This guy's not afraid of us at all. Yellow. So we are waiting for dinner. We are at Aunt Catfish restaurant on a Friday night, so it's going to be crowded. It'll be about 20-minute wait, so that's what we're doing in here. We wanted to go to the Italian restaurant, but the Italian restaurant was crowded also. So hopefully we're good. These people must have made a reservation, so they are good to go.
I'll bring up the rear.
This place smells like cinnamon, lots of cinnamon. I think they're making cinnamon, which is part of their thing here. Everybody eats a cinnamon here. Lots of sugar, lots of carbs. A little gift shop here. So hopefully it will be good. We're fortunate to nab a seat by the river, by the water. Well, we view the water, it's not by the water necessarily, but looks like some turnover here is pretty quick because the menu items are not huge. Food is coming, which is not ours. So that's how food is delivered. They're all cousins. They call themselves cousins. And so this is Aunt Catfish on the River restaurant. We were supposed to have a 20-minute wait, but turned out it just took us 5 minutes. So that was great. Very efficient. Things happen quickly. I think we'll be in and out in no time. We'll see how the food looks like. Included in all the meals is the fish camp fixing bar, which has a few items. Baked beans was okay. The beets was good. The broccoli salad was okay. At the end of the meal, they also have a fresh baked cinnamon bun that you can have for dessert. So that's how it works. This lady works the tables. I can see how this place will be crazy in the high season, spring or summer. Well, I think in the whole restaurant, only 2 of us are wearing face masks. Not the servers, not the... almost nobody. See this server? He's not wearing face mask. And that Asian lady, probably not. Green bean is too salty. But the scallop was good. Hush puppy is just big piece of dough. The catfish is pecan crusted catfish. It's good. I also have the sweet potato, big sweet potato. And after that, we're gonna have a piece of cinnamon and call it a day.